So 34 hours and counting until the Star Wars celebration kicks off. I am super excited. I know I'm going to have to try to get some sleep. I haven't slept for a while. My voice is getting kind of harsh. I got to make sure we get up there though. I don't want to sleep through the whole thing, which I don't think would be humanly possible anyway because I'm bouncing off the walls right now. So we've got fresh gear, we're going to be killing it, we're going to do a live stream, we're going to get you more information on when that's going to be. When we get up there, we're going to check the schedule, see the best time to do it. Probably going to be doing the live stream on Saturday and probably Sunday as well. Could be both days. Definitely look for some unboxings, of course. You know, we do got a couple Smuggler's Bounties floating around. So we've got the new Canon rolling, we're going to have the GoPro Hero 5 with the new gimbal. Hopefully it works for Kendra, because I really want to see her cosplay madness that she always does. A lot of the pre-sales for the photo ops and the signatures are already gone. Kendra was lucky enough to get
Hayden Christensen!
She did. It's okay.
Like one man crush.
Kind of reminds me of Charlie Cox while we were hanging out waiting for Ray Park. You're just kind of...
I know, it's just like...
But Ray Park is going to be back. Ray Park is going to be there as well. Heck, I'd love to get another picture where I actually don't look like a dork. Of course, I don't think that could possibly happen because once a dork, always a dork. Of course, I'm going to see Jeremy Bulloch. Everybody knows what a big Boba Fett fan I am. And I think maybe we will do Ray Park again. I don't know. We'll check. Mark Hamill was sold out before I even opened up the webpage. I don't think we're going to get lucky enough to get a photo op or a signature from him, but, you know, it'd be cool to see the man from across the room. Definitely want Jeremy Bulloch.
I'd have him sign the helmet.
So question for you collectors. I mean, do you have him sign a collectible? Do I take the quarter scale Boba Fett from Sideshow and have him sign it right on the helmet? Or should I put someplace else? Leave your comment below. So any of you that are planning on going, we hope to see you there. We'll be pretty hard to miss. I usually look like a pack mule with all the stuff I'm carrying around, and we'll probably have some Light Up Guru shirts at least one of the days.
Of course, yeah.
So we're already burning the midnight oil now. We got to get some sleep, some much needed sleep for the drive tomorrow. We will give you folks an update with the times, probably from right outside of the convention center.
Yeah, we gotta look over the schedule and figure out like what our sign needs and everything, and of course we gotta get cosplayer footage, so yeah. But we'll definitely let you know tomorrow, and we'll put it on Twitter as well when we're gonna be live streaming.
Absolutely. And we're filming from the new camera, so let us know how you like it. So on that note, we want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch. Please like, subscribe,
Comment below,
and share with your friends.
Until next time, stay weird. Bye. We'll see you